Hello everyone, I am Rozeri Dilar. In this video, we will put texts into the vertical stacks and horizontal stacks, and we will show them like this one. So we will have three text views. One will be in the horizontal stack here, and the other one will be the up. So here we have one horizontal stack and one vertical stack. Now let's go and create this one. In the previous video, we already created the text Turtle Rock. Now we are going to create the text Joshua Park. Joshua tree. So here Xcode yells. It is because we only have one view to return. We cannot have two different views, but we can put them in a stack and it can be one view only. I am pressing the comment button and I'm clicking it. Comes with a bunch of things, and I'm going to select the embed in VStack because Turtle Rock will be in the up and the Joshua Tree National Park will be in the down below. So let's add this to the vertical stack too. And now we have to add the California. Before adding California, I just realized this one is title. This one has to be sub-headline because it is smaller. Yes. And now I am pressing the comment button and I click on Joshua Tree National Park and I said embed in horizontal stack because this time I'm going to embed two texts in the horizontal stack. I'm gonna add new text. I can add from here or from here. I can say text. Here's my text and I can put it here. My text is not placeholder, my text is California. Let's look at the type of the California. It is subheadline 2. So I am adding the modifier here. I can say dot font dot subheadline, and I have to reformat this code. Again, I am pressing the Ctrl and I button. Oh, we have this for no reason. Okay, let's press Ctrl I button again. Okay, we are good to go. In the next video, we will add a separator here so that it will fit the entire screen like here. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.